Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling one of the most frustrating immigration experiences out there, a Czech Republic Schengen visa refusal. Yep, the kind where you thought everything was fine, and then boom, that delightful little stamp of rejection. But don't panic, there is a way forward. Let's talk about how to appeal, or whether you should just reapply instead. So first things first, if your application is rejected, you'll get a refusal letter. Or in some cases, just a stamp in your passport, and a note that basically says, "Nope, try again." That refusal letter is gold. It lists the reasons you were denied. Missed documents, a weak financial proof, they think you're planning to stay forever. Whatever the reason, that letter helps us decide, do we appeal or start fresh? In the Czech Republic, you have 15 calendar days from the date of the refusal to appeal. That's not a lot of time. And unfortunately, it includes weekends. Bureaucracy never sleeps. Your appeal has to be written, preferably in Czech, and submitted to the embassy or consulate that refused your application. Now let's talk about what goes into a strong appeal. A clear, professional letter explaining why the refusal was incorrect, documents you already submitted. Any new documents or arguments that fix what was missing before? Spoiler alert, I really wanted to visit Prague isn't enough. Now let's pause. You can file the appeal yourself, sure, but here's what can go wrong. You miss the deadline, your letter doesn't hit the right legal points. You forget to address every refusal reason you annoy the embassy, never a good idea. And worst of all, you get rejected again, and that's another refusal on your record. This is where a lawyer comes in. When we work on visa refusals, we don't just write some emotional letter, we translate legal arguments into embassy speak, spot weaknesses you missed. Present your case like it actually matters. Give you an honest take, appeal or reapply. It's not magic, it's just experience. Now, what about that stamp in your passport? If your visa was refused, your passport may have a little code, something like Czech Republic refused. That mark can haunt your future visa applications, other embassies do notice. So handling your appeal correctly the first time, very important. Let's also be real. If you've got a criminal record or past visa overstays, the appeal might be trickier, but not impossible. We've helped many clients clean up their record, build solid documentation, and finally get that long-awaited visa approval. Here's the truth. You don't get many shots at a Schengen visa. If the Czech Republic says no once, you want to make sure it's not no forever. So if this sounds like your situation, check the link below this video. You'll find more details and a form to book a consultation, request a case review, or get help drafting your appeal letter. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for practical immigration advice, and share it with that one friend who thinks Czech embassies just reject people for fun. Trust me, they don't. But they do love a perfect application. Let's help you get there. See you in the next one.